India da Oirakliba demographic dividend ge Saklon ase Manipur ga CHUNABA WATPA MARAMNA state ase Manglomda Changshinba Ngamdabagi FIVAM AMADA LAKLI HAINA Manipur University ke Vice Chancellor Professor N LOKENDRA PHONGDORAKLI Wafam ase Kokomina Manipur University ki Department of Law, Department of Political Science, Department of Southeast Asian Studies amade College Development Council ga khutsamnaduna the Manipur Crisis HAINA mingthonba nomagi oiba academic discourse haudokpagi thoramda mahakna phongdokhibani Manipur University ke court hall da pangthokpa thoram aduda Professor N Lokendra na hai India da Oirakliba demographic dividend ge Saklon ase aikhoi ki state asiga chushinnadaba maramna Kudong chadaba kaya ngapigani kudong chaba kaya loba ngamdabagi FIVAM AMADA LAKLI Manipur da fangliba demographic dividend ge choitheng ase matam sangna fangani masina state ase ge academic amasung intellectual growth da achoba safo ma pirakani amaromda Manipur da thokliba irang asina shu lamdam ase ge mahairoi amade naha singda mahima singa mari leinaba achoba safo fanglibani Tungi yumbi orakadaba ngasigi mahiroi khunaida mahi masingi chaithing fangba haibase laibak thibani Manipur da mahausagi FIVAM hanjilaknabage thabak thoram sing khumang chausina paikalakani haibagi thazaba lai maramde state asida tongan ba CSO club maira paibi amade mahiroi lup sen chingba kayana socio political system da chobu thodang lauri masiga iroinana aikhoi gi intellectual thinkers amade middle class ki miyoi singda lamdamasigi dama karigumba khara pangthokpa ngambagi thongna mapung fana lai Irang asigi waroshin hek lakpaga aikhoi gi sothariba socio economic development ase khumang chaushinaba hotnaba mathau tai haina Professor N Lokendra na makha takhi
As against the policy of this demographic dividend, which is sweeping across the country, Manipur is going backward because Manipur has not been able to harvest or to make use of this demographic dividend. And this is going to have a long negative impact in the overall academic and intellectual growth of the state of Manipur. It is true that even in Manipur, we have a number of socio-political system which we can characterize as social capital. In the valley, we have got a number of mothers organizations, number of clubs, number of CSOs. In the hills also, there is political institutions which is supposed to have this sort of social capital based on trustworthiness and based on, the possibilities of using these institutions for overcoming any kind of challenges that society used to confront.
Thawamaduta President ki warol piratuna Kokomige convener Khuraizam Athobana hai Manipur da thokliba irang ase maithong yamba maramna icham chamba miyoi amana khangnaba hotnabada wagadaba FIVAM AMADA LAKLI Irange horokfam ase ngasidi nomo-nomogi luba henjilakli maramaduna irang asigi marumda leiriba tongan ba saklon sing adu intellectual amadi scholar singi meeting da puthoknaba thoram ase sinbane masnya irang ase achoba meeting amada yengduna punna wakhal taminaba ngamgani haibagi thasaba lei haina athobana makhatana phongdokhi
And we consider that what we are facing today is also a test of time, because Manipur has come across so many serious situations, dire situations of life and death in the past. If you look at the timeline of the historical accounts of events and incidents that had happened in the past, today we are facing the brunt of Armed Forces Special Powers Act and several other ethnic conflicts that has led to the loss of so many precious lives in the state of Manipur. And today again we are facing the same. So this is what we consider it's a challenge of time, test of time. But Meitei and Manipur, as Lokendra has rightly pointed out, we are resilient and we have the will to survive, and we have been surviving for centuries. And we are hopeful that we will survive this critical phase as well.